Kevin here from the CI team. And the one phone I have for doing recordings, this one, it's a nice phone, but where the power button is, it's a little bit, it's not always easy with the case, has a case on it. It's not always easy to hit the power button. You have to kind of put your thumb in behind it and then you get the thing on or off. And I'm trying to make it a little bit easier so I don't always have to give it 2 or 3 tries before I get it. Okay, so what I did is I cut the rubber away from this power switch, and so now I can get my thumb into there, and it's very easy to hit the power button, on off, first time every time. It's just, there's a better feel to it, there's better positive contact with my thumb, and I like it. It's good.